Most people assume delivery fees are fixed and unavoidable, so they just accept them every time they order. That's exactly how they end up overpaying month after month. Here's the truth no one tells you. In many cases, Walmart delivery fees can be reduced, or even removed completely, if you understand how the system works. Quick promise. In the next few minutes, you'll learn exactly how to get Walmart delivery fees waived in 2026, what conditions actually remove the fee, and the simple mistakes that make people pay extra without realizing it. Let's start with the basics. Walmart charges delivery fees based on order type, distance, and membership status. The fee is not random. It changes depending on whether you are a member, how much you spend, and what items you are ordering. Now here's where it gets interesting. The easiest way people already get delivery fees waived is through membership benefits. Walmart is designed specifically to reduce or remove delivery costs on eligible orders. But even without that, there are still strategies most people don't use. First method is meeting the minimum order threshold. For non-members, many delivery services require you to spend a certain amount to qualify for free or reduced delivery. If your card is below that limit, you almost always get charged a fee. Second method is item selection. Not all items carry the same delivery cost. Some items are marked as free delivery eligible, especially when sold and shipped directly by Walmart. Mixing eligible items can sometimes reduce your total delivery cost. But here's the problem most people miss. They focus on the total cart instead of checking item-level eligibility. One ineligible item can trigger a full delivery fee for the entire order. Third method is using promotions and trial offers. Occasionally, new users or returning users receive temporary free delivery promotions. These are often hidden in account notifications or app banners, so people miss them completely. Now, let's talk about the most reliable method: membership benefits. With Walmart, delivery fees are often removed for eligible orders, especially groceries and everyday essentials. This is the most consistent way to avoid paying delivery charges long-term. Another smart trick is choosing pickup instead of delivery, and then switching during checkout when promotions apply. Sometimes the system automatically offers free delivery upgrades based on demand and store availability. Here's a useful tip most people don't know. Delivery fees can also vary based on time slots. Less busy delivery windows sometimes have lower fees or promotional discounts, especially during off-peak hours. So if you want to consistently avoid delivery fees, you need to think in 3 layers: your cart total, item eligibility, and membership status. When all 3 align, the fee often disappears automatically. To wrap it up, you can reduce or eliminate Walmart delivery fees by meeting order minimums, selecting eligible items, using promotions, or leveraging Walmart membership benefits. If this helped you save money, like the video, drop a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more simple money-saving guides like this.